If you're looking to add some extra engine protection to your truck, today we're going to be looking at this JLT 3.0 oil separator. It's made from billet aluminum with a black anodized finish. This oil separator will fit your 2013 to 2018 Chevy GMC with a 5.3 engine. It keeps the unwanted oil vapors going back in your engine. So let's get this thing installed in our Chevy truck. Now that we're under the hood, we have to remove the airbox to access the hose. Remove these two oil hoses. Just push up on the clip and it'll slide right off. And then one here on the passenger side. Loosen the hose clamp on the throttle body and then on the airbox. Once you have the hose clamps loose, all you have to do is just pull up and slide off the airbox. The hose that we're going to be removing is under the throttle body. I removed this coolant temperature sensor so you can see it on the camera. All you do is just push the clip on the hose and it slides right off. Once you have this connector removed, follow the hose to the other side and we'll remove that one. The hose is on the driver's side and the button's on the inside, so slide your fingers in the bag, push on that clip and use the hose and pull on it. It'll come right off. Just slide it right out and you won't be reusing this. As you can see from the hose that we removed, there's some oil in there. So that oil separator is going to catch all that oil so it doesn't go back in the engine. I removed the canister to show you what's inside the oil separator. We have this screen mesh that catches the oil vapors. The long hose will be going to the valley and the short hose will be going back to the intake. Slide the long hose on the valley. You'll hear it click. And then grab the short hose and that goes back to the intake. Now let's install the bracket. One of my favorite things about JLT oil separators, they use factory location. We're going to be using the bolt right here on the firewall. Let's get it installed. It takes a 13 millimeter. When installing the bracket, you want the bracket pointing towards the passenger side. Reinstall the bolt, and then you can tighten it down. JLT supplies 2 screws to mount the oil separator to the bracket. Just slide them in and thread them down. Just don't go crazy tight, just snug them down. That's all they really need. Install your airbox, then your installation is complete. Remember to make sure all your hose clamps are tight and your connections are good on your airbox. I will always recommend an oil separator for all these newer vehicles. It really catches all those oil vapors, doesn't let it go back in the engine. Remember always to drain the oil separator when you do your oil changes. For this JLT oil separator and many other great parts, go to cjponyparts.com.